Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm NFX and today we're back at Goodwood Kartways for our 8th race of the season. I'm a little behind on videos and I think I have 4 other videos in queue, so mind you, it's been a tough couple weeks, but needless to say, we're working through it slowly. So let's get right to the race here as the green flags are waved and we're off to racing. See, everyone's already pulling away. 1 and 2 are gone, and we are looking to pick up the pieces in this first corner. Getting more entry speed into this corner, and I'm just able to get side by side and just find so much more grip on that inside line and able to make the position stick in P4. Yeah, this day was particularly interesting. You can kind of see a little bit of wet patches here and there throughout the track. There was a little bit of rain during the day and a bit earlier, and it's just clearing up, and luckily the sun was out for the rest of the session, as you see the clouds kind of in the background disappearing and the blue skies are coming out. But really interesting track conditions here, and we had some puddles on some inside corners, turns 1 and turns 5, which are 2 very intense corners, and then the rest of the corners were pretty much very dry. So you can see a puddle appearing on the right hand side there, and we're all just trying to go around it. Now into this corner, the apex was a little bit damp, so that's why you see me taking a little bit of a further line than normal, and then back onto the straight here for lap number 3. Yeah, apologize to the folks waiting. It's been a hectic couple of weeks. I've been back to back at work, but also racing as well. I have 4 different videos that are in the queue. I was able to race at K1 Mississauga for their throne event, practice there, and as well I was over at Mosport and I think Volt Racing, if anyone's familiar. That's also in the same area in Bowmanville. So it's been a little bit of hectic for myself, and I haven't been able to find time to edit, but just some reassurance that there is so much more content coming. So make sure, if you haven't already, please subscribe if you like the sound of my voice and you like karting content. So thanks so much for the support there. Now, going on to lap number 4, I think I'm able to catch up a little more to the front runners here. They're kind of battling it out, and you can see P3 and myself are trying our best to get closer and closer, and as much as they keep battling, it's just our opportunity to do some more overtaking here. You can see how much closer we're getting. We're building down, or we're taking down that gap. And it's around, I think, lap 5 or lap 6 where we're seeing more of a attack. Okay, down the straight once again. I look behind to see how far I am from the drivers behind. Put my head down for DRS, human DRS, and back into corner number 4. Take very wide line. I'm able to be super aggressive, getting right next to P3, and I start getting pushed out super wide and then onto the grass, which is so unfortunate because I just lost this huge gap that I gained. Didn't realize how close I was to the racer behind, but then I get pushed out once again and moved off into the grass. Super frustrating at this point for myself, losing 2 positions pretty much. Just because I was originally pushed off to the side. So quite frustrating. I mean, in those type of situations, it's hard because when you're next to the person, I'm not saying that they have to give you the position, but definitely the space to be able to race wheel to wheel. So a little frustrating there. You saw my friend peek his head at me a little, and I take back that position. Super aggressive corner into turn number 4 onto number 5. I let my friend right through, seeing if I can do a little bit of the undercut, but this kart just has so much more grip on that outside compared to the inside, and ultimately dropping myself down into P6. So a tough one to swallow for sure. I don't typically lose positions, so pretty frustrated coming out of those last few corners there and just losing. And you can see the 2 racer ahead are piggybacking off each other and just getting that DRS. And you can see P3 now is for some reason having a problem here, and then I'm able to make up a position, putting myself back in P5, which is the original starting position that I was in. And now I'm even closer than I was before to the front runners ahead. Funny enough, I had a chat with P3 after, and was like, what happened? Like, you gave up power. And I think somewhere in this video you can actually see her wheel fall off of her cart, and for that around half a lap, or at least a third of the lap, she was racing with 3 wheels. So super funny. Unfortunately, that retired her race, and sent her right to the back. But yeah, a little tough for her as a racer. I know I've lost the wheel this season in practice, so it is somewhat a common occurrence here at Goodwood, and so frustrating when that happens. So 2 laps to go, lap number 7. We're midway through, and I'm just trying my best to just stay on pace with these guys. I mean, they're definitely faster in terms of, you know, kart speed. I'm able to make up a lot of time in the corners, but as soon as we get on those straights, they pretty much fly for me, and you can see that evidence clearly right here as the white flags go down. And yeah, it is tough. I think they start to battle it out as P4 gets a little nippy, hitting the curb up, and now they're just wheel banging side by side. I try to look for a move on the inside here, just not enough speed. And yet again, try to do some type of undercut. They do a little bit of contact. I push into the back of them and shake my head. Just disappointed that I couldn't make any moves there. And yet again, right back on their tail, going for the outside line as P4 goes a little defensive. And down into the final corner of the race, which started off as P5, will end in P5 as the checker flag comes down and we call it a race. So if you enjoyed the video, if you got some useful resources from it or whatever it is, make sure you subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you soon back here at race number 9.